laban sa Team Liquid. Napakagandang serye ang pinakita.
Kaya ka nasa fight ng Emblem, Yuzong, with the Black Dragon 4, hinuhuli nila dito si Sanji, makakalabas pa RWS with extra HP, pero hindi sapat. They're able to take down the E, pero look at the punish! At they're just bursting Lord. Ito na yung Dragon, pero Team Liquid mag-gawin pa sila dito mag-burst. The Demon Guns, clutch referee from the Smiling Demon Outpost, finds the kill on Lancelot. They will get 2 kills and make that 3. Yue finds Daddy JP on the backside with light flickering in. Oh, makukuha yung Bill. May punish pero mapapatay naman si Ohen. This is the Magin. Aurora may nag-limit.
Isa na lang dito sa Ador. Ador pa siya nag-isa. Pero mapapalang bahagi ng Torre. 14 seconds para kay Sanji. 11
They
mapapag.
have time